Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your travel itinerary with STA Travel, full guide step by step clearly. To begin building your travel itinerary with STA Travel, start by determining your travel dates. Identify your departure and return times to create a structured timeline. Next, choose your destination or destinations. Consider regions, cities, or countries that interest you the most. Research the local culture, climate, and major attractions of your chosen destination. Look for any travel advisories or entry requirements that may be in place. Now, outline the key activities or experiences you want to include in your itinerary. Make a list of must-see sites, activities, and accommodations that suit your budget and interests. Utilize the STA Travel website to find and book flights that fit your schedule. Compare airline options to choose the most convenient and cost-effective choice. Once your flights are secured, move on to booking your accommodations. Consider various options such as hotels, hostels, or vacation rentals based on your preferences. Next, delve into transportation options in your destination. Research local public transport systems, car rentals, or guided tour services. After securing your flights and accommodations, begin to organize your daily activities. Map out your itinerary day by day, allocating time for each attraction or experience. Be sure to include time for meals and relaxation to avoid burnout. As you finalize your itinerary, ensure you account for travel time between accommodations and activities. Check the opening hours and any entry fees for the attractions you chose. Make digital or physical copies of important documents, such as your itinerary, tickets, and accommodation confirmations. Consider purchasing travel insurance for added peace of mind during your trip. Finally, review your itinerary to confirm all details align with your preferences. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth travel experience. With your itinerary prepared, you are ready to enjoy your adventure with STA Travel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.